Your manager just approved budget for AI agents, not ChatGPT, not Copilot. AI agents, the technology that actually takes actions in your systems without asking permission first. Welcome to Technically You. Today, we're breaking down the difference between AI assistants and AI agents, because one answers questions and the other is actively replacing jobs right now in 2026. If you're in customer service, data entry, IT support, sales operations, or accounting, this episode explains exactly what's happening to your role in the next 12 months. And if you're a manager evaluating AI tools, this breaks down which tasks to automate first and which require human oversight. Let's get into it. First, let's define what we're actually talking about, because the terms AI assistant and AI agent get used interchangeably, but they represent fundamentally different capabilities. AI assistants, what most people use today, think ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot in basic mode. You ask a question, and it gives you an answer. Key characteristic: it waits for you. Every interaction requires human initiation. You type the prompt, it responds. You review the output, you decide what to do with it, you take the action. Example: you ask ChatGPT to draft an email declining a vendor proposal. It writes the email, you copy it, you paste it into Outlook, you review it, you click send. You're still doing the work. The AI just helped. AI agents, the 2026 evolution. Now imagine you tell your system, decline all vendor proposals from companies we haven't worked with before. And it does that automatically. It reads incoming emails, identifies new vendors, it drafts responses, sends them, logs the interaction in your CRM, updates the vendor database, all without you. Key characteristic: it acts autonomously. You set parameters and it executes tasks. Multi-step workflows. It takes action without asking permission every time. This is the profound difference. The difference is profound. Assistant: here's a draft. Agent: already done. Assistant: here's the code. Agent: fixed and deployed. Assistant: here's the analysis. Agent: updated the forecast and notified the team. Already done. Agents are taking over roles that assistants couldn't, thanks to the move from help to independence. This isn't just a new tool, it's a new workforce. Let's look at actual AI agent platforms deployed right now. Salesforce Agentforce, launched October 2024 and widely deployed in 2026. This isn't just a chatbot. It monitors support cases, routes them based on sentiment, and responds to Tier 1 questions automatically, like password resets or account status, escalating only when necessary. A customer emails, "I ordered product X. Tracking says delivered, but I never received it." Let's compare the traditional human workflow against the AI agent. Old workflow: human agent, read email, look up order, check tracking, file a claim with the carrier, send a holding email, update notes. Time: 8 to 12 minutes of active human work. AI agent workflow: reads email, retrieves tracking, identifies the discrepancy, files the carrier claim, sends a personalized response, and creates a follow-up task. Time: 14 seconds, already done. Impact at scale: Salesforce customers report a 30 to 40% reduction in Tier 1 support headcount. Not just efficiency, actual headcount reduction. The remaining humans handle complex escalations. Microsoft Copilot Studio agents. These connect directly to your Microsoft 365 environment and business systems. Sales operations is where we see the most aggressive adoption. The agent monitors Outlook for RFP emails. It identifies the RFP, extracts requirements, checks your CRM, and even checks product catalog and team capacity. It handles the intake end to end. If the answers are yes, it drafts a proposal outline and schedules a kickoff. If no, it sends a polite decline. The sales ops coordinator who spent 6 hours on this now focus on strategy. Human. The result? The company no longer needs 3 coordinators. They need 1. Their role didn't disappear, it changed. But the demand for human labor in that function is down significantly. Google Workspace AI agents join every meeting to transcribe and assign tasks. ServiceNow AI agents resolve 60 to 70% of Tier 1 IT tickets autonomously. This is the new standard. Traditional IT, 4 to 24 hours. AI agent, ticket created, Agent accesses account with authorization, identifies permission mismatch, re-adds user to the group, tests access, and responds. Time, 90 seconds, no human involved. The pattern: AI agents don't assist with tasks, they complete tasks, autonomously, at scale, 24/7. They are the new Tier 1 workforce across the entire enterprise. Let's be direct about which roles are being automated by AI agents in 2026. Because this isn't theoretical, these are real workforce reductions happening right now in your industry. Tier 1 customer support is first. Password resets, returns, and basic troubleshooting are fully autonomous. Companies are maintaining headcount at only 40 to 50% of 2024 levels. Only complex cases reach humans. Data entry and processing is next, extracting data from invoices, expense reports, and CRM data updates. Data entry specialist roles are down 35 to 40% year over year. Analysts remain. Entries go to agents. Appointment scheduling and basic IT support. Organizations are moving to a self-service model plus AI agent. Executive assistants are seeing scope reduction as agents handle the calendar Tetris. Help desks are shrinking by over 60%. Accounting and finance, AP, AR, and junior accountant roles are seeing major reductions. Agents process standard invoices and audit expense reports end-to-end. Human focus moves to strategy, controllership, and audit management. The uncomfortable truth: if your job is primarily following a decision tree, moving information between systems, or checking if X matches Y, an AI agent can do it faster, cheaper, and without breaks. 24/7. Why is this happening now? 3 major technological shifts converged in late 2025 that made autonomous agents practical at enterprise scale. Let's look at the tech. Shift 1. Function calling and tool use. AI models can now reliably call APIs and use software. Before, they told you how to update a record. Now, they directly call the API and confirm completion. This is the bridge to action. Shift 2. Extended context windows. Windows went from 8K to 200K. Agents need context, policies, histories, and approval limits to make informed decisions matching what a human would do. This makes autonomous decisions trustable. Shift 3. Multimodal understanding. Models process text, PDFs, and spreadsheets simultaneously. Agents now process documents directly and cross-reference them without human extraction. This convergence enables the 2026 agent explosion. Let's talk money, because that's what's driving adoption. A Tier 1 agent costs up to $68,000 per year. An AI agent platform might cost $2 per conversation. For a team of 100, the savings are $4 to $5 million annually. But it's not just cost, it's speed. AI agents are 10 to 20 times faster. For shipping, support, and sales follow-up, speed isn't just efficiency. It's a competitive advantage that makes more revenue. Break-even is immediate. Timeline of transition. Pilot projects first, then limited autonomy with human monitoring. By Q4 2026, many companies reach full deployment with 70% volume handled by agents. Red flags, pilot announcements, or restructuring around efficiency. You have 6 to 12 months. The time to upskill is now. Move up to agent supervision or focus on exception handling and process improvement. Judgment, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking are rising in value as routine procedures decline. Strategic support is your safety net. Some jobs will go away, and that's an uncomfortable reality. But new roles are emerging: trainer, analyst, operations manager, and prompt engineer. These roles pay well and are growing rapidly. Companies need people who understand business processes and AI. Managers prioritize: automate high volume, low complexity, clear rule tasks first. Think password resets and standard invoices. Move to medium complexity later. Don't automate legal, medical, or HR decisions without human review. Build confidence first. Success factors: clear escalation rules, so agents know when to ask for help, human oversight for audits, and transparent communication with employees. Involve your team in designing the automation to succeed. Measure quality and speed, not just cost reduction. Bringing it all together. AI assistants help you work. AI agents execute work. the difference between a calculator and an accountant. In 2026, we are watching the shift from AI-assisted to AI-executed work. It's happening faster than expected. The question isn't whether this is coming. It's already here. What are you going to do about it? Thanks for listening to Technically You. Subscribe for more breakdowns of real-world technology impact.